Okay guys, we are here at the outlets of Bergen Town Center, and we are about to ride the new elevator here. So this is the elevator that goes to Blink Fitness, Marshalls, and Saxoff Fifth here at the outlets of Bergen Town Center in Paramus, New Jersey. This is a Schindler 330A hydraulic. So we go to PE4. Installation date on the interlock, 11/17. Let's go down to 1. Maximum capacity of 3,500 pounds. Let's get a cab view. It is just your very basic shopping mall elevator with obviously some new parking floors. There's a new floor obviously this is brand new. And guys, I didn't even know about this installation at the mall. Me being on top of my Paramus game, I didn't even know about this installation. Obviously on a Schindler, the door close button does not work. So here we go. Let's go back down to 1. Ring the alarm. Basic Schindler alarm. Again, very interesting no smoking sign. Very interesting. They wouldn't put no smoking on it, so they put the actual sign, which is kind of cool. But anyways, this Schindler cab is okay. It's okay looking. I mean, it's not great. There's already some scratches on this thing, so I'm not sure how long it's going to last, but this is definitely a brand new elevator. This has never been on YouTube before, so this is a first. Door close does not work. I wonder if this elevator was summoned. It may have been. I really hope security's not down here. I really hope security's not asking what the hell I'm doing on this thing, because I've taken like 6 drive-ins on this thing. I redid my video because I had some interruptions, so I'm doing it now because there's no interruptions. So hopefully no one summoned it. Yeah, it's not like I'm playing around on it or anything, I'm just demonstrating it for you guys for video purposes. Alright. There it goes, and that's it.